very special guest, Yolanda, a remarkable woman who has faced significant health challenges but found hope and transformation through the power of nutritional immunology. Her story is a testament of courage, resilience, and the real impact this product can have on everyday lives. Please join me in welcoming Yolanda as she shares her story.
Hello everyone, good evening. I am Yolanda from the Philippines, 72 years old, with 3 children and 7 grandchildren. I have been diagnosed with cataract and Parkinson's. And my cataract became very severe early this year, in March 2025. I had 2 eye checkups and they recommended me for operation. But then I was not ready for that. I had no funds available because it's expensive. And besides there, I'm scared. I'm afraid to undergo operation. Why? Because my sister-in-law and 2 other friends had a failure in their operation. So I think I think it over and I concluded not to undergo. Then some friend was introducing to me the Elite Global. And during that time, I was not also ready to accept it. But then, due to their insistent and consistent reminder to me and offer to try the product. Since that time, they introduced to me about Dr. Chen. And I fully know Dr. Chen as founder of EXL. I was also a user of EXL products way back 2000. Then I tried using the wholesome products like Goji Garden. So it's my 2 very compassionate upline, Peggy and Annie, who were the instrument of my better health now. So they advised me to take that Goji Garden before and after operation. But then I didn't go for operation. I really decided not to go for operation because I'm scared and I have no money. So I just took the Goji Garden. After 18 days, I felt a good relief. So the pain, before it was very itchy, cloudy, and sometimes it's red. And when I wake up, there are so many, as if it's like a sore eye. Then later on, after 18 days of, they say I must double the food. Then I found out that it is had a good result on my eyes. Then I continued using it. So now I cannot say yet a total, but it has cleared my vision. No more red, no more itchiness. As long as I will not go to direct sunlight, it will not be as like before. It's no longer red. It's no longer itchy. So I believe that the Goji Garden helped me so much to recover my eyes. Dr. Chen research and science, and it is really good for health. And that's all. I thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Yolanda, for sharing her heartfelt journey with us. Her story is a beautiful reminder that meaningful health transformation is possible, regardless of the age or the challenges life presents. It's about giving your body the right nourishment and trusting the process. Yolanda's experience shows that these products offer more than just health support, but they also restore hope and clarity. Please kindly note that these elite products are designed to support overall health and wellness. They are not medicine and they do not have any medical effects. We believe that true health comes from providing the body with the right balance of nutrition. Health is just